we made it to the next town over because we were running behind at my house because I was decorating. So anyway, it's like minus 40 something with the wind chill. So we are not getting out. We're just here to look at the lights on the train, and apparently a band gets out and plays, but we're not getting out for that. Okay. Not that much. Is that a nice train, guys? No, they stop, baby, and a band gets out and they play. But
who are those people?
They only stay for a few minutes. Those are just people who are taking pictures.
Okay, Ella won't let me, so I'm not doing it.
Okay, Ella, get in so I can get out and come buckle you up, please. What, baby?
I want to watch the band.
No, baby, it's so cold.
Why don't we just stay?
We'll go drive up this way and down around. I feel like such a creep.